Welcome to the Empowerment 888 channel. The Secret of Manifestation. Explained Law of Attraction. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, love, and abundance while others struggle no matter how hard they try? Is it just luck? Or is there a secret they know that you don't? What if the power to shape your reality has been within you all along? In this video, we're unlocking the real truth behind manifestation and the law of attraction. Not just the surface-level hype, but the deeper science and mindset shifts that make it actually work. According to a theory known as the law of attraction, those who think positively attract good things into their lives, while those who think negatively attract bad things. To put it another way, a positive outlook will draw more happiness and success than a negative one. Furthermore, this law is applicable to all facets of life, including relationships, finances, and health. These grandiose claims raise the question, is the law of attraction real? Due to books like Rhonda Byrne's The Secret, the law of attraction has received a lot of attention in the last 10 or so years. But it's still worthwhile to learn more about it, because it's not some mystical energy that brings you luck. Rather, it's all about psychology and mindset. The laws of attraction. What is the operation of the law of attraction? In essence, your experiences are a manifestation of the energy in your ideas. Positive experiences, therefore, follow from positive thinking, and vice versa. Proponents contend that the law of attraction is composed of the following fundamental universal principles. According to the principle of like attracts like, comparable things are drawn to one another. It implies that people tend to attract like-minded individuals, but it also implies that people's ideas tend to produce comparable outcomes. Positive thinking is thought to generate positive experiences, and negative thinking is thought to draw unpleasant ones. A vacuum is hated by nature. According to the law of attraction, you can create room for more positive things to enter your life by removing bad things from it. It is predicated on the idea that there can never be a totally empty place in your life or psyche. According to proponents of this ideology, it is crucial to fill this space with optimism, because something will always occupy it. The present is flawless at all times. The main notion of this law is that there are always methods to make the present better. Even though it may always seem like there are problems with the present, this law suggests that instead of feeling fear or dissatisfaction, you should concentrate on finding methods to make the present the best it can be. The law of attraction. How to apply it. What is the first step in applying the law of attraction? This ideology holds that you are the creator of your own reality. You attract things into your life based on your focus. It implies that your life unfolds according to your expectations. You can apply the law of attraction to your own life in a number of ways, such as show gratitude, imagine your objectives, consider the good aspects of a situation, discover how to recognize negative thoughts, employ affirmations that are uplifting, reframe unpleasant situations in a more constructive manner. The law of attraction can teach you to have a more positive view on life, even though it might not be a quick fix for every problem. It could also keep you inspired to keep pursuing your objectives. Some aspects of the law of attraction can help you achieve your relationship objectives. Increasing your awareness of the factors that might be preventing you from letting love into your life is one approach to do this. You can begin taking action to overcome your anxieties if you observe that they prevent you from developing meaningful love relationships, such as a fear of vulnerability. Taking a positive approach to your relationships could lead to the development of healthier ones. Reaching your career objectives might also benefit from the law of attraction. The key is to use your long-term goals to create precise, tangible adjustments in the present that will help you get closer to your goals, even though people sometimes make the mistake of assuming that just thinking positively about your job aspirations will result in positive improvements. For instance, it is insufficient to merely wish for increased compensation. You can take steps that will benefit you later on, like learning marketable skills, applying for promotions, or even looking for a new job. The law of attraction states that directing your energy in constructive directions will result in favorable changes in your life down the road. Small actions and consistent development are necessary to manifest financial changes in your life. It's critical to evaluate your financial situation and establish goals for your present and future, rather than just hoping for more. People are encouraged to adopt an abundance mindset instead of a scarcity mindset by the law of attraction. Practice being thankful for what you have rather than dwelling on your shortcomings. By doing this, you'll be more equipped to take advantage of the chances and work toward your financial objectives. Although there is no scientific evidence to support the law of attraction, its proponents contend that it can lead to beneficial life improvements. People may benefit from this ideology for a number of reasons, including spiritual impacts. Because it appeals to people's spirituality, the law of attraction might have positive effects. Numerous health advantages, such as less stress, improved health, decreased sadness, and an overall improvement in well-being, are linked to spirituality itself. 1. Many people think that this way of thinking works by making God or the cosmos do what we want. According to this theory, everyone is composed of energy that functions at various frequencies. This is why it's critical to shift the energy's frequency to one of positivity, particularly appreciation for what we already have. The law of attraction brings good things into our life, and we can alter the frequency of our energy by focusing on our dreams rather than our complaints, and by thinking and feeling thankful and happy. Where and how we direct our attention determines what we attract, but we must think that it is already ours or will be in the near future. Advice on how to apply the law of attraction. You may learn how to apply the law of attraction in your own life by doing a few activities. Among the concepts are: writing in a journal can help you better understand your thought patterns, identify whether you have a tendency toward optimism or pessimism, and gain knowledge on how to alter negative thought habits. Create a mood board. Make a visual reminder to help you stay motivated, keep a positive outlook, and stay focused on your objectives. Acceptance practice. Work on accepting things as they are, rather than concentrating on what has to be changed or what is wrong with the current situation. This simply means that you won't let the desire for a brighter future hold you back. It doesn't mean that you won't keep working for it. Make it a daily mission to speak positively to yourself if you find it difficult to avoid being too critical of yourself. This can get much easier with time, and you might discover that it becomes increasingly difficult to keep a pessimistic outlook. Using positive energy potential to reduce stress. The law of attraction's drawbacks. The idea that the law of attraction is the notion that wonderful things will come to us and bring us whatever we desire without any kind of action to support that belief is one issue with books like The Secret and some people's interpretation of it. Optimists achieve such remarkable outcomes in their life because of their proactive habits, which are motivated by their positive outlook. The actions that optimists encourage are what bring about significant change, not just their positive outlooks. For beliefs to influence conduct, it's also critical to have items like objectives, being mindful, dedication and inspiration, schedules, difficulties, encouragement. Critics of The Secret and other Law of Attraction books also highlight the very real worry that people would begin to hold themselves responsible for uncontrollable bad things like accidents and injuries, job losses brought on by a downturn in the economy, or serious illnesses. Although our circumstances are sometimes beyond our control, we do have some control over how we react to them. Accordingly, the law of attraction can offer the hope and proactive mindset linked to resilience in trying circumstances, but it shouldn't be applied as a means of self-blame. You can get stronger by how you respond to the difficulties you encounter. In this sense, when the law of attraction promotes such power, it might be beneficial. It should not be used improperly, though, since it may cause more harm than good. Even though the law of attraction has drawn a lot of attention lately, the idea is not particularly novel. Philosophical roots can be found in the early 19th century movement known as New Thought. The concept saw a renaissance in the 20th century, especially after the publication of the movie The Secret in 2006, which was later turned into the best-selling book of the same name and its 2010 follow-up, The Power. If you're ready to unlock the power of manifestation and transform your reality, hit subscribe and join the journey.